Hey, my name is Matthew Heggie. I'm a certified coach with Optavia. I want to show you a quick and easy way to find recipes for all of your Optavia needs. So I just went into this little search engine called Google. And if you were to type in Optavia lean and green hamburger, right? And just click on something. Here we go. Optavia lean and green cheeseburger soup. Right here, it shows on the bottom that it's Optavia. These are also on Pinterest. Here's an Optavia lean and green cheeseburger bites. It shows the symbol of Optavia on the bottom. Optavia lean and green shrimp. Click on the ones that have the Optavia slogan on them, or logo right here. Optavia lean and green. Optavia lean and green chicken. You guys are getting the idea of where we're going here. These are all Optavia lean and green chicken. Optavia lean and green pizza. So here's a cauliflower pizza right there. So there are recipes made by the American Culinary Institute just for you with all of your macronutrients counted. You don't have to worry about counting them to figure out what you can make for your lean and green meal. Some of them are really, really simple. And some of them, let's just see, vegetarian. Optavia lean and green vegetarian. So let's just see what comes up here. Tofu power bowl. Just I clicked on the next one. Green bean casserole, rosemary cauliflower rolls. So we have a lot of variety of stuff we can do. Hopefully this helps. My name is Matthew Heggie. Like, follow, comment, share. Have a great day. Peace.